Welcome back. Now I'm going to make the alcohol, because alcohol will kill the virus, with a little hydrogen peroxide and a little glycerol to make sure the alcohol doesn't dry your hands, trap them, and that will actually let the virus in. This is much stronger in terms of alcohol content than the first hand cream I made, which means it's actually much better at killing the viruses. And just to show you don't actually have to use any special equipment. This was a jar of garlic. I washed it out. It doesn't actually matter if you still have some garlic left, because that actually has some antibacterial properties in itself. So what I'm going to do now is I start with the alcohol. So I'm going to pour, again, this is 96% pure ethanol. You can also use rubbing alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. You can use butanol. You can even use methylated spirits at a pinch. So I'm going to pour out 100 ml of the alcohol. Now I'm using things that are relatively readily found, though alcohol is getting rare now because people are buying it to make this kind of hand sanitizer. So now I'm going to get glycerol. Glycerol is a sticky sugar-based substance. It's used in baking for some things. It's available from your chemist quite readily. So I'm going to add 40 ml of glycerol. You can see it's sticky. Now the point here is glycerol will stick to your hands when you use the spray, and it'll prevent them from drying, so you won't get cracks and cuts in your hands, so the virus can't enter. But the spray will still work. Now I'm taking hydrogen peroxide. Now hydrogen peroxide is the stuff you use to bleach your hair. It is antibacterial, so I'm just adding hydrogen peroxide here, and I'm adding 10 ml. It just makes sure that there are no bacteria left in the glycerol, so it's completely sterile before I add it. So I'll just pour this in, and just let the glycerol drip. Basically that's it for all the ingredients. Mix it all together. I'm taking a small spray bottle, putting a funnel, and I'm just pouring this in. Now because of the glycerol, remember to shake this each time you use it. That's all you have to do. So with a spray pump bottle like this, you can see a spray thing. So all you do is you spray it on your hands all over. The alcohol will evaporate and you'll feel your hands actually getting cool. Now because the alcohol here is so strong, no virus can survive. But that glycerol is essential, because you need that glycerol to make sure that the alcohol doesn't dry your hands, cause cracks, and those cracks can let the virus in. Remember, your skin, the coronavirus cannot pass through your skin. You cannot get infected from your hands, from the rest of your body. You get infected by touching your mucous membranes around your mouth, nose and eyes. So if you go out, try not to touch your mouth, nose and eyes. And it's very hard. We all do it thousands of times a day, and this is how the virus spreads. Okay.